Chako en jalar kom tend piny kod otiko mar UDA William Ruto okwayo jopiny mondo wuog oko kar romgi kendo giluto ombulu tich ariyo juma manyien. Ruto wacho ni jopiny nigi teko mar yiero kit dongruok madiher e yiero ma higani ka bende e kinde ma bende ochamo nyadhi ni ene moromo kom tend piny Kenya.
This is going to be a historic election. In many ways, it's going to be a historic election. This is going to be an election that is going to finally confirm that it is the people who hire and fire governments. We have confidence, we have faith in the people of Kenya. And we are proud that finally we made this election not about leaders, not about changing the constitution, not about positions, not about sharing power, that we made this election about the people, their issues. We are very proud at the verge of this election that finally we have managed to relegate ethnicity to the back burner, to relegate division to the back burner.